Hey, what's up, Wanderers? So today we are in my hometown, Raleigh, North Carolina. We are at the 132nd Annual South Atlantic Fire Rescue Expo. It's kind of a big deal, the Mid-Atlantic Fire Service. For those of you that don't know, I do work at the fire department, and that's kind of what helps me to do the traveling that I do. So I like fire trucks. No! We're gonna see what we can get into, see what they got. Maybe we get some free stuff. We got some amazing coffee. We're rocking San Diego Engine Company 18, normal heights. Thanks for the shirt, guys. Let's go inside, see what we get into. Okay guys, so we made it in. We're about to go down to the floor and check out some cool fire trucks. We still got some good coffee. Let's go check it out. What's up, guys? So we're right here on the floor, and I wanted to show you the difference between a fire engine and a fire truck. A lot of times they're used interchangeably, but not always in the right context. So you guys can see the truck behind me. See how it's got the big ladder on top? We would call that a ladder. Some people call them trucks. The primary job of these guys on this truck here is going to be like forcible entry, search and rescue, and ventilation. Sometimes they have water on the truck, they can put fire out. Sometimes they don't, let another truck supply them with water. Yeah, so every time you see one of these fire trucks, it's got the big ladder on top. It is not a fire engine, it is a fire truck. Ladder company, truck company, or what have you. So we're gonna go check that out and kind of show you guys around. You see some videos, and we're gonna move on. So stick around, let's go check it out. Okay guys, so we talked about the fire trucks, right? Remember the aerials, they got the ladder on top and some of the functions of the truck company. So we're gonna show you guys now the fire engines. You guys probably might call them fire trucks, but if you wanna be real particular, fire engine is not a fire truck. So the fire engine basically is responsible for securing water supply, stretching hose, extinguishing the fire, some search and rescue. But these are going to be the most common trucks that you'll see in your city, town, district, wherever you might live. You know, they're typically the smaller trucks. Anywhere from, 500 to 1,000 gallons of water on board, different size hoses for different applications. Yeah, if you want to like impress your friends with nerdy, useless fire door trivia.
Get those nerds! Nerd! Nerd!
Next time they say it's a fire truck or, ooh, look at the fire truck, you can be like, no, that's a fire engine because Maddie said blah, 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 blah. So we're gonna go be nerds real quick. We're gonna go take a look. I'll show you around. We're gonna show you some shots of the truck and we'll talk more about it. Okay guys, so right now we're on the floor. They got a bunch of stuff for sale, like helmets, PPE, protective equipment, different things. So we're gonna check that out. I'm gonna show you guys a couple shots of that. Enjoy, and then we're gonna go look at some more trucks. Okay guys, that's a wrap. 2019 SAFRE convention in the bag. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too boring. If you liked it, do the thumbs up, subscribe to keep up with some future adventures, see some other cool stuff. Appreciate it guys. See you next time. There's always got to be some ambulances in the mix. Everybody wants to get involved. Nobody cares about ambulances though. Sorry EMS, love you, but anyway, if that's your thing, there's some ambulances.